Welcome to Flavor Street. Join us as we explore unique flavors and street food recipes from around the world. Subscribe and enjoy the journey. Poffertjes, mini fluffy pancakes, served with butter and powdered sugar. Poffertjes are small, fluffy Dutch pancakes traditionally made with yeast and buckwheat flour. Here's a classic recipe to prepare them at home. Ingredients, for about 20 to 25 poffertjes. Dry ingredients. 100 g all-purpose flour. 100 g buckwheat flour, traditional, but you can use all-purpose if unavailable. 1 teaspoon instant yeast or 15 g fresh yeast. 1 tablespoon sugar. Half a teaspoon salt. Wet ingredients. 200 milliliters lukewarm milk, or plant-based milk. 1 egg, room temperature. 15 g melted butter, plus extra for cooking. For serving. Powdered sugar. Butter. Syrup, optional. Instructions. Mix the dough. In a bowl, combine flours, yeast, sugar, and salt. Gradually add warm milk, then the egg and melted butter. Whisk until smooth, like a thick pancake batter. Cover and let rise for 1 hour, or until bubbly. Cook the poffertjes. Heat a poffertjes pan, or mini pancake pan, over medium heat. Brush holes with butter, then pour batter into each, 3/4 full. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes until bubbles form, then flip with a fork/skewer. Cook another. Stroopwafel, thin waffles with caramel syrup filling, best enjoyed. Stroopwafel ingredients. A traditional Dutch stroopwafel consists of 2 thin, crispy waffle cookies sandwiched together with a sweet caramel-like syrup filling. Here are the ingredients you'll need. For the waffle cookies. 2½ cups, 300 g, all-purpose flour. Half a cup, 100 g, granulated sugar. Half a cup, 115 g, unsalted butter, melted. 2 large eggs. A 1/4 cup, 60 milliliters lukewarm milk. 1 teaspoon active dry yeast or instant yeast. Half a teaspoon ground cinnamon, optional. A pinch of salt. For the stroop, syrup filling. 1 cup, 200 g, dark brown sugar, or light brown sugar. Half a cup, 115 g, unsalted butter. Half a cup, 120 milliliters, dark corn syrup, or golden syrup/honey. 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Optional. A stroopwafel iron or pizzelle maker, a regular waffle maker won't work as it needs to be thin. Instructions summary. Prepare the dough, dissolve yeast in warm milk, mix with flour, sugar, eggs, melted butter, and salt. Knead, then let rise for 30 to 60 minutes. Cook the waffles, roll small dough balls, press in a stroopwafel iron until golden and crisp. Make the syrup, melt butter, sugar, and syrup, then cook until thickened. Add cinnamon and vanilla. Assemble, slice waffles in half while warm, spread syrup, and sandwich together. Kibbeling, crispy battered cod chunks, served with garlic or tartar sauce. Kibbeling is a popular Dutch snack made of battered and deep-fried chunks of white fish, typically served with a creamy garlic or herb sauce. Here are the ingredients you'll need to prepare it at home. Ingredients for kibbeling. For the fish. 500 g, 1 pound, white fish fillets, such as cod, haddock, or pollock, cut into bite-sized chunks. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon paprika, optional. For the batter. 150 g, 1¼ cups, all-purpose flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. 1 teaspoon paprika or curry powder, for extra flavor. 200 milliliters, 3/4 cup plus 1 tablespoon, cold sparkling water or beer, for a lighter batter. 1 egg, optional, for extra crispiness. For frying. Vegetable oil or sunflower oil, for deep frying. For the dipping sauce, kibbeling sauce. 250 milliliters, 1 cup mayonnaise. 1 clove garlic, minced, or half a teaspoon garlic powder. 1 tablespoon fresh parsley or dill, finely chopped. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. Prepare the fish, pat dry the fish chunks and season with salt, pepper, and paprika. Make the batter, mix flour, baking powder, salt, pepper, and paprika in a bowl. Gradually whisk in cold sparkling water, an egg if using, until smooth. Heat the oil, fill a deep pan with oil, about 5 centimeters deep, and heat to 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Coat and fry, dip fish pieces into the batter, let excess drip off, then fry in batches for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crispy. Drain on paper towels. Make the sauce, mix mayonnaise, garlic, herbs, lemon juice, and mustard. Adjust seasoning. Serve hot with the dipping sauce and lemon wedges. Kibbeling, crispy battered cod chunks, served with garlic or tartar sauce. Frikandel is a popular Dutch fast food item, a deep-fried, minced meat sausage. Here's a traditional recipe to make frikandel at home. Ingredients. For about 6 to 8 frikandellen. 500 g ground meat, a mix of pork and beef, traditionally 50/50ths. 100 g chicken meat, optional, for texture. 1 small onion, finely minced. 1 egg, for binding. 3 to 4 tablespoons breadcrumbs, or rusk powder. 3 to 4 tablespoons milk, to soften the breadcrumbs. 1 teaspoon salt, adjust to taste. Half a teaspoon pepper. Half a teaspoon nutmeg. Half a teaspoon coriander powder, optional. Half a teaspoon mace, optional, for authentic flavor. Ice cold water, as needed for smooth texture. Instructions. Soak breadcrumbs in milk and let them soften. Mix meats, pork, beef, and chicken if using, in a large bowl. Add onion, egg, spices, and soaked breadcrumbs. Mix well. Gradually add ice cold water, a few tablespoons, while kneading until the mixture becomes smooth and sticky, important for the right texture. Shape into sausages, about 15. Patatje Oorlog, fries topped with mayo, peanut sauce, and onions. Patatje Oorlog is a popular Dutch street food dish that translates to war fries. It's a loaded fries dish topped with a variety of savory ingredients. Here's how to make it. Ingredients for Patatje Oorlog: 1 serving. Thick cut fries, patat/frites, about 200 g, homemade or frozen. Mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons. Peanut sauté sauce, pindasauce, 2 tablespoons, or more to taste. Raw chopped onions, 1 to 2 tablespoons, finely diced. Optional additions. Curry ketchup, for extra flavor. Sriracha or sambal, for spice. Chopped fresh parsley, for garnish. Instructions. Prepare the fries, deep fry or bake the fries until golden and crispy. Layer the toppings, place the hot fries in a serving dish or cone. Add the sauces, drizzle mayonnaise first, then peanut sauté sauce generously over the fries. Sprinkle onions, scatter the chopped raw onions on top. Optional extras, add a drizzle of curry ketchup or spicy sauce if desired. Serve immediately, enjoy while hot and messy.